Hello everyone, this is Suman from Digital Pictures. So I'm here to introduce you to our newest launch, Booking Ultra plugin. It's the ultimate course selling and on-site classroom booking plugin built natively for Moodle. When you click on it, it launches. Uh, it eliminates complex third-party e-commerce breach listings for the Stripes and PayPal subscriptions, manage classroom seat capacities, and automatic wait lists. Uh, you can bundle physical materials with flat rate shipping, then scan high contrast QR coding first to get a detour. Everything operates securely inside your Moodle Linux dashboard in a single session. So, when I click on it, this page opens. So, if you click on admin event panel, see, it is simple. You can see all the settings here. And the first of all, what you need to do is add a new event. Right? You can write your event name. You can add your description here. You can choose your banner image here, location where the on-site event will be done. Event category. You can add different categories. I'll show you later. Then comes the pricing plans and subscription tiers. So if you click on it, you'll see this section open up. So you can add multiple pricing plans for a single event. You can create a new plan here, plan name, price, payment, whether it is one time or recurring, billing cycle, cycles, obviously, the number, integer value, enrollment duration, and you can add any number of plans you want. You can mix it up with recurring and one time, all those things. So if you have added these plans, so these settings is not needed. These are global settings. If you just want to use a single normal plan, so it is a follow-up plan. Then the booking open date, booking closing cutoff date, maximum booking per user, maximum total bookings, uh, sort with order, allow guest bookings, whether you want to, allow guest bookings. If you select yes, then you can add guests. If no, ventilation. Enable wet listing when full. So you have two options whether you want to allow wet listing or you just want to block booking when full. So if you want to offer pre-attendance debate for this event, so no. So if these are self-learning or not, so auto enroll Moodle course. So we have only one course. So the all the courses on your websites will be listed there. And it's like the drop down, renewable duration unit in days, enable tax or VAT if you want to add. If you select yes, the section opens up. You can add your taxes, event specific terms and conditions. Uh, you can add it here. Then custom registration form builder. You can create a new form. If you just create something, phone number, like WhatsApp number, WhatsApp, text box, some, you can keep it, and you can add any number of fields you want, or you can just select a template. For example, we have already have a template. If you select load, these template loads. So obviously, when you create a form, you can save it as a template after entering the template name. You can add questions fields uh, for the form, obviously, and then click set templates. Then, if you go to events and slots, so the when you created the event, this section comes up. So you can, schedule. So this one has, for example, this one, the single one, that was the self-paced courses, and so for this one, you can select start date, end date, start type, end time, booking open date, booking close date. So you can select using these, user to use, slot capacity. You can add date slot, or you can select slots. You can edit slots. You can extra add-on service or delivery options, paper book and whatever you want, postal shipping address if you want it, description. You just want to add save. Oh, description nothing. Save one time videos. So two books are already added. So yeah. Then you can just create categories and subcategories there. Okay, you can create categories and subcategories, edit subcategories, delete. And I forgot one thing. So these are shortcodes, iframes, URLs. You can just paste it in any Moodle page, as a shortcode, and it will just display your bookings, like the events. It will act as a marketing section. So all booking logs, you can see all the booking logs here. You can manually confirm, export format Excel, export CSV, uh, open live US scanner to make some and scan some pages. Or you can just manually select any user from there. You can type it to select the user, select event session. These are all the events that are happening. And you can just book and confirm immediately. No need for payment if you want. This is the manual section. Or send an invite to candidate when the candidate pays 10 roles. Then click execute candidate action. So those happens. So settings and levels. It's the return address you need to add there. So this one already was added. So destination, print shipping level. So shipping level can also be printed. Okay. Then we have analytics and reports, all those things, whether the slot is full or not. Manage coupons, you can create coupons, discount codes, percentage of each amount, color schemes. So if you go there, you can select the colors, general configuration, all the needed things, payment gateways, you can, whatever payment gateways you want. merchant dispatch info, notifications policies, is the email subject, confirmation email body template, general booking terms and cancellations policy. And now we'll go to student portal. So you'll see this. So if you uh, select few details and book, it will give you all the details. You can select new plan, no guest, or you can select required candidate information. So book session. So you can just click whatever you want. The section is already there. No problem. So we just go back. This one is okay. Just go back to catalog. You can view, you can view installation tickets and everything. Yeah. So there are a lot of features in here. These are the basic things that you might want to use, and there are more. There's a quick overview actually.